Hello, welcome to SEDES English. My name is Eric, and today we'll be learning the different sounds that vowels make. So in English, there are a couple vowels, and vowels are letters that can make two different sounds. And those are A, E, I, O, U. And the different sounds they make are, or they're called long or short. Long sounds or short sounds. And we'll be going over the actual sounds they make and some examples of the words that they're used in to help you familiarize or get used to seeing and maybe why the same letter in different words sound different. Usually those letters are vowels. So we'll start off with A. Again, we have long and short sounds or vowels, and the long vowel for all of the letters actually sound exactly like the actual letter itself. So the long for A is pronounced A. An example is apron, baby, tomato. I have underlined the letter, and the way it sounds in the word is exactly how it's pronounced, or the name, A. Again, apron, baby, tomato. The short sound is ah, fan, cat, man. So apron is not it's fan. It's pronounced different like a ah. Fan, cat, man. Now we'll go over to E. Long is pronounced the same way the actual letter is, which is E. So examples are eel, eagle, key. You say the actual letter in wherever the letter is. Eel, eagle, key. The short is pronounced elbow, elephant, pen. It's not peen, it's pen. Elbow, elephant, pen. So eel. Again, the long one, you actually say the letter eel. This one, elbow, elbow. Now we'll go to I. For long, again, you say the same way with the actual I. So ice, iron, bike. Ice, iron, bike. Now we have the letter E. It's pronounced E, just like how this is pronounced E, but this is the short for I. So ink, in, pin, ink, in, pin. Now we'll go to O. This is pronounced O, just like what the actual letter is, O. So old, gold, oat. Then we have the short sound, which is ah, off, octopus, pot, off, octopus, pot. So it's ah, not O. Last one, we have the letter U. So cute, universe, university. Then for short, we have So up, uncle, umbrella. Up, like uncle, umbrella. Then we have, again, U is cute, universe, university. And that is all. Thank you so much for listening and watching, and I hope to see you soon.